Hello friends, so today we are going to install Ubuntu in our laptop. This already contains Windows, so we will remove Windows and install Ubuntu. So let's start. We will first start the laptop, and then there is a boot key. Generally it is a F2 or F3 or F9. So it is asking Ubuntu. So we will take a boot from Ubuntu. We will press enter. I will show you closely. So this is showing option. I will press enter to get boot from Ubuntu. So we have already installed this bootable pen drive, as you can see here. So that's why it is taking boot from Ubuntu. Now it is like starting, taking boot, and you see it is starting, taking boot. All these things it is doing. It's taking some time to complete. %63 complete, as you can see. 79, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5 very quickly, and 100. No errors found. Okay. So as you can see, it has already taken a boot, and now it is trying to start Ubuntu, as we are showing. Now I am pausing for some time. I will show you the next step. It is loading. Okay, it has already loaded. Okay, so it is asking in the install section here, it is asking whether we want to try Ubuntu or we want to install Ubuntu. So if you just want to try it out and from this pen drive, then you can try it for some time, whenever till you have this pen drive installed in your laptop. But we want to completely install permanently, so we will click on install Ubuntu. Okay, so then it is again loading, as you can see. Now it is asking basic question, English US, English US. So I will go with the default languages. So I will continue here. Okay, and now it is asking if I want to connect to a internet. So then I will connect to this my internet. Okay, and I will get to connect. So as you can see, this is the connect button. Yeah, it is asking me the Wi-Fi password. Now I will enter my password. Okay, and then we will click on the connect option. Okay, it is loading now. Connecting to internet is important because if it has some updates etc., it can download while installing your Ubuntu. Okay, still trying to connect to the Wi-Fi network. I am pausing for some time till it connects. Hello friends, so it has gone past this Wi-Fi stage. Now we are showing this screen, updates and other software. So what apps will you like to install with? It is asking. Let me focus. Okay, so now it is focusing properly. Now we will click on continue. Normal installation is fine, and download updates while installing Ubuntu. We want to install downloads, so we will continue. So again it is continuing. I am pausing for the moment. So now it is showing me the default option erase disk and install Ubuntu and something else. Something else will basically ask if you want to install simultaneously Windows and Ubuntu and create partitions, etc. Those things. But I want the default thing. I want to erase everything on my disk and install Ubuntu for now. This is the default thing. So I just click on install now. So as you can see, it is starting the install. So it is asking if you continue, the changes listed below will be returned to disks, otherwise you will be able to make further changes manually and all those things. These are basically formatted, so it will format our existing disks. So we will continue with this. We want the formatting to happen. Okay, I will click on continue. Okay, so now it is asking the default things. Where are you? So if I am in India, so just Kolkata time zone is fine. I'm continue. These are the basic question. So it is asking for my name, so I'm putting a Puneet. Okay friends, so basically I have put my username and the password here and the name. Now it has two options: login automatically, require my password to login. So it will initially ask my password to start, or it will automatically start. So I want this to start automatically because I don't want to enter password each time I start my laptop. So as of now I am just doing login automatically. Continue. Now as you can see, it is started this copying these files fast and full of new features. So you can meanwhile grab a coffee or explore these features. It will take some time depending on your internet speed also, how much time, and it will download these things. So I have used earlier versions of Ubuntu also, almost starting from 10 or something. 12.04 was the first version which I full-fledgedly used. So in that one there were like something appearing on the screen when we used to scroll down, but those all things are corrected now. The graphics are much better here with this Ubuntu. Obviously it is much bigger size than those versions, but those things are improved. It is copying files this, and it will download the software, etc. This step will take some good amount of time, so we will pause for now and we will show after that. Okay friends, so the copying stage is over. Now it is on the installing system stage. So this will also take couple of minutes. So you basically grab a coffee for that. Hello friends, so now all the download and all this previous screen, it has finished, and now this pop-up is shown. So good news that installation is completed. Now you can basically click on this restart now button, so that it will we need to restart to use this new installation. So we'll just click on the restart button. Okay, so it is now basically restarting my machine, and once it's restarted I will basically need to remove this pen drive because it will take boot from the system. So it is asking, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. So my installation medium was this pen drive, and now I can remove this because my Ubuntu is installed in the hard disk, and then I press the enter. So as you can see, ASUS, and now after ASUS the Ubuntu boot screen will be coming, as you can see. Okay, first time it is taking boot, so it might take more time. As you can see, it is taking boot now. Starting your Ubuntu from the hard disk, because we have now, as you can see, removed the pen drive. Now it is starting the Ubuntu. It's taking some time. Okay, Ubuntu. Now you can see here Ubuntu. Let me take Ubuntu in focus so that you can see. And then there is the Unity sign here. It's happening. So as you can see, now it is started, the Ubuntu, and you can see your Ubuntu interface. These online accounts you can skip all these if you don't want, and you can just close this thing. I just don't want to use this. I'm quitting this application. Now you can use your Firefox browser. It has created your name folder, basically computer name folder, basic folder here. Now I'm switching on my Firefox to use the internet. It is switching on. Okay, so now my Firefox is switched on. Now I'm just opening google.com to show you the internet is working here. Okay. Hello. Cool. So you can just make any search here now. So your internet is working. You can download the required software, etc. also. Hopefully you like the video. Thank you, friends.